nagawa natin dito. So, dito kumukompleto yung mga order nila. So, dito, nilalagay yung mga drinks and fries. Then, tapos pwede na siya, dito siya lalagay. Yan, lalagyan natin siya ng condiment. So, ito yung mga condiment natin. Dito tayo harap. Dito tayo harap. So, this is our condiment. So, we have straw, fork, spoon, knife. So, para saan yung straw? For coffee load and coffee flow. And how about the ketchup? Para sa and this butter. How about morning spoon? For rice noodles. So, pag nag-order sila, lalagyan sila ng condiment. So, for example, one spoon, one spoon, one fork, and then if we have regular rice, one ketchup, pag medium fries, two ketchup, pag large fries, three ketchup. Okay. And then pag meron namang hot cake, so pork, butter, for hot cake. So for example, coffee naman ang in-order. So yung price so dito naman, creamer. So, creamer. Ano po for that? Yes. So, feeling ko, this box mo, ang ilalagay natin.